My name is Manisha Thakur and I study in class 9. I live in a village called Kimadi, which is the place which is this, where we are right now.
My name is Mansi Chetri. I study in class 10 and I live in a village called Galjwadi, which takes 15 minutes to reach from here.
Our project is all about the issue that we have picked, domestic violence, and it is we are working to aware people that domestic violence is not the men's right to beat. Men does not have right to beat their wives, and it is already banned, but still it is going on in some parts of villages.
And we want to empower women and educate them that this is not the right way of dealing with women. They need to be treated equally.
It is very common in our locality, and people are not aware of it. So first of all, we made an action plan, and our action plan included GD with classes 8 to 11 that we did in a school, so that we could actually make children aware of our own school.
It was of 3 hours where we showed them a movie for 1 hour, which was Satyamev Jayate, and then we divided them into groups and gave them topics where they came up with 2 best solutions, and the leader had to present it in the front of the whole school and write it down in the board.
So we have 3 best ideas. In which locality the domestic violence is being done, we should do a street play. We can explain them that they should not give dowry but take property.
And we will tell them that if you will suffer, it is going to harm your child.
We did the voting system where from that also we selected the 2 most suitable solutions which we can follow right now in present.
We had street plays in the villages.
Where we selected the children of our school and of that same community.
मेरे बेटी की तो किस्मत ही खराब है। जब से ये मेरे घर में आई, 3 बेटियों को जन्म दिया इसने, एक बेटा नहीं जना। अब मेरे वंश को कहाँ आगे बढ़ाएगा? अब खड़े खड़े मेरा मुंह क्या ताक रही है? जा और 1 कप चाय बना के ला। क्या सी चाय बनाई है तुमने? ना चीनी है ना चाय पत्ती।
पर माँ जी, आपने ही तो कहा था।
जवान मत कराओ। कहाँ है ना चाय अच्छी नहीं बनी है।
I believe that it has left an impact on our society, and even on the children. Like our classmates and our schoolmates were not aware. Now I hope they are aware and they'll educate their friends and their siblings about this, and it will surely be finished once.
By the end of the project, we hope that it will not all problem of domestic violence can get finished, but at least some of the ridden some of the families at least. And we are hoping that our school children are getting aware, and they'll not do it in the future when they grow up.